The silence, guys. This match is going to start between Queens and Superstars. Hiral facing Mrs. Vikas facing the man with 3 6s in the flurry. And Sunana is going to ball right arm over. Oh, it was a single, beautifully taken by Hiral. There's a Zen mode in the women's bowling. They stop, they watch, then they ball. It's like going into the Zen mode. Sunana ready for the second ball. And see who's facing. Richa, the top batsman, taking a single, just taking a single. Hiral, yes, gets down to the other side of the wicket. She's safe. 2 on the score. Two runs without a loss. Sunana ready for the third ball. It's a loopy ball and come on. The fielders could not manage. Hiral was down in a hurry. She fell down, but she seems okay now, ready on the non-striker end. Richa just confirming with Hiral if she's okay. The captain is worried about his fielders. Her batter, co-batter, Sunana. Oh, Richa hitting a shot and well fielded by Mrs. Tendulkar. It's 5 for no loss. Sunana bowling. Seems to be bowling well. Just given away 5 runs in 3 balls. Oh, just a little push. Upper push. Aarti coming back from the boundary to field the ball, but still the single was taken in between. 6 runs in 4 balls. Hiral going on the left side for the non-striker end, running. Sunana ready for 5th ball. Will Richa hit a 6? Oh, she hit hard. She did hit her hard, but she could only manage a single. No, it's only 8. In women cricket, it's only 8. In women cricket, it's 8 aside, so there are only 1 floater allowed. Hiral waiting for the 6th ball. Oh, good batting, but could not manage even a single because the ball ricocheted with the net and was back to the fielder. Swati was there. Here comes the champion bowler, the captain, Preeti herself, into the act. She wants Richa's wicket, that is for sure. She knows Richa's value. Richa going early will be a very tough task for Superstars. So, Preeti round the wicket. Bowling first ball. Oh, there was a hit by Richa, but could not manage more than a 1 because it was on the side nets. Preeti, next ball to Hiral. Oh, Preeti bowling a loopy ball. Swati trying to run out Richa but could not. Queens trying hard for the wicket, but still to see one. 9 for no loss in 1.2 overs. Richa for Preeti for third ball, with the third ball to Hiral. And he's out. Richa is out. Come on. No. They are not sure if it is a one bounce or it's out. Nay. The umpire does not give her out. It was a one bounce. The ball bounced just after the shot. Oh, beautiful bowling for single, but they could not stop a single. There's a hush-bush out there. There's a tension around there in the pink team. The pinks are getting yellow and red. Oh, it's the heat. Mrs. Tendulkar has something else to say about it. Preeti will be bowling a fifth ball. 10 for no loss. Superstars. Hiral facing Preeti. Oh my God, there's a single under the table. That is a 1D for itself. Last ball by Preeti. Preeti will be applying all her against Richa. Oh, good bowling. Richa could not hit more than a single. They're very careful. They're very careful about it. Good bowling by Preeti. Just 5 runs coming in this over. Let's see who's going to bowl next. Reema will be the next bowler, I suppose. Aarti, Preeti, Rayamani all on the boundary line. Sunaina on the floating position. Swati standing ahead on the leg side. Let's see what unfolds next. Reema to Richa. Oh, it's a wide. It's a wide. There's a lot of instructions going on from the crowd. Yeah, this looks a little, it doesn't look like a wide, but the umpire has given a wide. Not sure about it. From here it looked inside the wide line, but umpires had another thoughts about it. Usually the captains don't like to take the DRS on the wide balls because it's a matter of a run and you could lose it for a wicket. Oh, it's another wide. Reema seems to be under pressure. She has a hat-trick of wides. Swati cooling down Reema. Mr. Tendulkar seems very anxious out here. Come on, Reema. Get a wicket for them. Oh. There was a shot. There was shot by Richa, but only for single. So, thank God for the Queens. Richa is out of strike. And Hiral is going to face Reema. For the second ball, oh, good batting. She takes a single and gives away the... I don't understand this. There's a flurry of running between the wickets. I feel Richa should not have taken a risky single. She's too good a player for that to get out. Still, They have managed to get it second one. Oh, it was it was out, I suppose. It was supposed to be out, but let's see. The the width of the wickets, maybe the ball went between them. The umpires are not very sure about it. The husbands are more worried sitting outside asking for DRS. Let's see if they are going for a DRS. Tendulkar is very anxious out here because it's Reema bowling. He's usually very anxious when she is bowling. And it has been given out, but it was a Herald's wicket. 18 for 1. 18 for 1 after 2.3 overs. The husband's advice came into. They're looking into the crowds, want the consent of the crowd that they're doing well. Now we have a doctor on the turf, not for a patient but to bat. Reema giving another wide to Doctor. Doctors wear white, but they are getting wide. Oh, it's a loopy ball above the waist height. It's a no ball called a free hit, Doctor. Doctor usually give the medicine free, but it is the free hit they are getting now. Oh, good shot. Doctor running hard to complete the first run. Reema back to bowling. This time bowling to Richa. Richa looking for her maiden six in this inning. And Reema looking for her wicket. Let's see what unfolds. Oh! She got the prize wicket. She got the prize wicket of Richa. Come on, girl. This is the time to celebrate for you. This is all they wanted. They now have the eyes on this match. Reema. And I can see Mr. Tendulkar here. Yeah, he's a little more excited. He's all worried about his going back home. I can tell you guys, he's more worried about himself than Richa. Ladies, you know, they're the carrier of tension carriers. Oh, no ball, and Archie just gets a free hit. Doctor gets a free hit again. Miss Tendulkar giving away runs, but got the prize wicket of Richa. So all that is accepted by the team. The over ends. You got the wicket. Good over. Preet is very happy with Reema. She wants to hug her. Again we have Aarti. Where is Sachin? Sachin, where are you? Aarti is going to bowl. There's a flurry of butterflies in Sachin's stomach because Aarti is going to bowl. Sachin doesn't seem to be worried about it, and he's not paying attention, you know. मारेगी. तुम नहीं कर सकते, तुम्हारी बीबी बॉलिंग कर रही है. बाइस नहीं कर सकते. Oh my God, this was a good bowling by Aarti, but could not save the single. 24 for 2, 25 for 2 in 3.1 overs. Archie, I've seen her bat. She can really hit hard on the nets. She's mostly a leg side player. Waiting for Aarti. Aarti is in Zen mode. Aarti is in Zen mode. The scorer seems to be looking for her name, I suppose. 3.1 overs, 25 for 2. Next ball in. It's a wide. After so much of a thought process put into the ball, she could only manage a wide. Oh, it's a leg by. They have run for one. They were successful. Aarti back. It's 27 for 2 in 3.2 overs. Aarti back to ball a third ball. Doctor trying to hit hard. ठीक है ठीक है. The husband gets excited for the wide call. There's a lot of excitement outside, I suppose. Oh, Aarti bowling well. Doctor is not able to understand the ball. It's just like the prescription the doctors write, which most people don't understand. It's a wide again, once again. The pressure is on Aarti to bowl well. It's 3.3, 29 for 2. Aarti under pressure, bowling to Doctor. Oh, good shot, but all they could manage a single because there was. Oh. Archie in a search for a run. I don't know why they were running. It's just could not make any sense. But still they were running and they couldn't complete it. 30 for 3. It's more of a silly mistake, I suppose, by Team Superstars. Aarti for the fifth ball. Oh, what a ball, what a ball. Doctor had no clue of this medicine given by Aarti to her. Oh, after the run out, they are very scared of run. It was a very good over, and most of the runs came by the wides only. Only a single run was taken by the batsman. One was a bye. It was a good bowling effort by Aarti in the end. 30 for 3 in 4 overs. Superstars versus Queens. Yamini, a good bowler. She will be bowling to Dinah. Dinah, the scout for Team Superstars. Oh, she starts with a wide. The first match flurries. Oh, Oh, good shot and good stop by Sunaina, I suppose. Good stop, Sunaina. Sunaina standing in the floater position, opening up her arms to get the ball. Oh, Yamini bowling a wide again. Most of the runs of the 32, 33 for 3 have come in the extras, I suppose. The batsmen have been not able to score more freely, but the wides and no balls have made the score. Oh, good run. Good single taken by Doctor and Dinah. 34 for 3 in 4.2 overs. That comes nearly to 8, an average of 8. Oh, she could not manage more. 34 for 3 in 4.3 overs. Oh, just single. All that Diana could do was push for a single. 35 for 3. Hardly any shots I could see. This is more of a single game and comforted by wides and no balls. Another extra gifted by the Queens to the superstars. .4 overs, 36 for 3. Yamini bowling, fifth ball to Doctor. Dr. Amrita trying hard but could not manage more than a net side with a single. 37 for 3. Dinah ready to face the last ball. Last ball, Dinah runs for the Doctor, completes it. Yamini finishes off her over. 38 for 3 in 5 overs. 7 runs, out of which 3 wides and 3 singles. 4 singles, I suppose. Yamini? Yamini, who's bowling? Naam kya hai? Fatima. Fatima will be bowling to Dinah. Last over. Let's see if superstars can make a good of it. Or they are still relying on the wides or no balls. Fatima. Oh, that's a run out by Swati. What a run out. Fatima is down to thanking God. Queens are elated because they have Richa back to the pavilion, and now it is Doctor. The main batsmen are gone. It's up to Dinah and the new. Who's the new batsman? Yamini, who's the batsman? Naam kya? Saloni on the crease, I suppose. The batswoman. Yes, Saloni, number 7. She's on the crease to face Fatima for a second ball. Yeah. नहीं है. I don't think so. It's not compulsory. It's not compulsory. हाँ बस ठीक है ठीक. You people can stand in the back. A few. Oh, good bowling by Fatima. Very good bowling. At least she's bowling wicket to wicket. Good bowling. Saloni. Oh, Saloni could get hold of the ball. But single was taken. Diana's on the strike now. Strike for Superstars. Fatima bowling. Oh, good bowling, good bowling. All Diana could do was move the bat, but the ball missed it. Missed the bat and the stumps also. Fatima with the fifth ball. It was a full toss, almost a full toss. Diana could manage a single with it. 40 for 4. Mostly held by wides and no balls. The score has reached 40 for 4 in 5.5 overs. Last ball, they will be trying to run a single or double. Instructions being given by Diana to Saloni. Fatima back to bowling the last ball. Oh, they missed it and they have given away the run. The mistake they should not have been making, they have made it. 2 runs for Superstars. Superstars are 41 for 4 in the end. Queens need to bat well to get to 42. The best thing the Superstar Queens could do was get Richa out early, which has stopped the game, the runs to 41 only.
Yo, cricket rap, cricket बहाने दोस्त बनाने.
I sell box connectuna. Yo फुटबॉल आपको धागे बरुमा, बच्चे बड़े सबका जज्बा जमा, ले लीजिए देंगी चौकों की मारा. ISL में क्रिकेट का त्योहार. सोसाइटी के ग्राउंड पे सब आओ यार, आज खेलेंगे क्रिकेट होगा धमाल पार. चाहे बैटिंग करो या बॉलिंग संभालो, मौका मिले तो स्टंप्स भी उखाड़ो. कैडेट्स ले लीज किड्स भी साथ, इसी बहाने बढ़ेगी हमारी बात. ये मैच नहीं एक जश्न बड़ा, हर जीत से ऊपर दिलों से जुड़ा. करके बहाने दोस्त बनाने, बाहर दिल को पास ले आने. 4 रन हो या छक्का लगे, मस्ती में सब झूमे झमेले हटे. क्रिकेट पर फुल है दम, हर शॉट में जान, हर गेंद में रम. बाउंड्री छोटी पर सपने बड़े, टीम का जज्बा सबको जोड़े. लड़े एक ओवर में कमाल दिखाओ, बैट से बड़ाल से धमाका मचाओ. शोर मचाओ, काली बजाओ, ट्रॉफी की चमक से महफिल सजाओ. क्रिकेट बहाने दोस्त बनाने, हर दिल को पास ले आने. साथ में खेले साथ में झूमे, मेरे क्रिकेट से चमके त्योहार.
Doctor having a chat with Saloni, sharing a joke. Richa back to her fielding position. Aparna bowling to Swati. First ball. Silence. Swati takes a single, hits it hard on the leg side. Alia on the strike now, facing Aparna. First time in this IHCL. Oh, good shot by Ali, I will say. Swati looking for two, but seeing Richa fielding it, she decided against her. There's a different color jersey on the field because there's an extra fielder or a substitute fielder, I should say. Oh, it was a wide ball, almost a wide ball, which Swati tried to score off but could not. Oh, again, Swati goes for a single on the leg side, up to Aparna. Alia back to strike. I will ask the camera person to be a little away from the... Okay. Alia goes to leg side, takes a single. In between the balls, I will tell you, Warriors and Titans are going for the toss. Aparna getting ready. Oh, she hits on the leg side, takes a single on the nets. Swati off the strike. It's over, 5 runs. 37 needed, more of 30 balls. It is a possible target. The game is still hanging in balance between queens and superstars. Diana looks at Saloni. Oh, she's practicing a bowling to Saloni. Diana is going to bowl. Swati getting ready for Diana. Richa getting back to her place. Fielders all in space. Oh, good bowling, good bowling, good bowling. And Alia run out. Swati actually running her out. I should say there wasn't any run around. But in the spurt of a second, they were out of the crease, running for it. When there was not any run for actually. Preeti, the captain, comes to the turf. Strike. 37 runs needed of 29 balls. Second ball, Diana. Wow, she hits it on the top turf. It cannot be a catch now. She gets a single, gets off the strike, gives it to Swati for the third ball. Oh, what a shot! Will she be catched? She's caught! Oh, Amrita catches Swati. Swati had to hit it to get it. The main batsman of Queens is down. 36 runs more required of 27 balls. Superstars acting like one. 41 runs. 42 required. Diana bowling. Bowling to Yamini. 6 for 2. Oh, Yamini going back to a ball for which she should have been going ahead to hit it. She missed it Yamni runs, takes a single. Strike back to Preeti. Last ball of Diana over. A successful over. Single taken. They won't take a chance against Richa. Good bowling. 8 for 2 in 2 overs. Queens need a spurt from here if they wish to reach 42. 34 runs required in 4 overs. That is more than an 8 required per over. Titans and Warriors going next. Who won the toss? Richa bowling. Bowling to Preeti. Preeti hits it hard on the upper net. Just for single. Richa wants Diana in the middle. Moves her more to the right. Left of the... A wide by Richa. There was a toss between Warriors and Titans. Oh, she bowls her from her back. Round the legs. Yamni goes round the leg out. What a ball by Richa. Richa is a superstar. Richa is a superstar. She does with the ball what she could not do with the bat. Getting a crucial wicket of Yamini at this crucial juncture. 2.2 overs, 10 for 3. Queens searching for runs. Already 3 down. Reema back on the strike. She has a good reputation of hitting. Oh, once again deceived by the spin. Richa putting the ball outside the leg, spinning it into the wickets. The most of the batsmen are very... Once again, it was a wide this time round. Richa trying to get them out around their legs. Let's see what Richa has stored for the fourth ball. 11 for 3. Oh, this time it was a slow off ball, loopy ball, which was hit for a single by Reema. Richa coming with the fifth ball. Oh, Preeti gets hold of it, but for a single. I don't think so. The singles will take them to the total. They do need some hits, some big hits. It's a no ball. It's a no ball. Before it was a wide. It's a no ball. It's a line no ball. It's going to be a free hit. What do you think, Jaju? Will they make it?
I think it's going to be very close.
If I tell you 28 runs in 19 balls and not a single boundary has been hit, is it possible?
I think it's tough. Somebody needs to go for it.
Yeah. Ow! Just Queens seems to be giving it away. This was not required. They have lost their main wicket, Preeti. 28 runs in 19 balls. 27 runs in 18 balls required. This is 9 runs per over required. Archie from Superstars going to ball the next over. New batsman in Aarti. Sachin, where are you? You need to give your attendance. Oh, Sachin is very much there, giving instructions from the back canopy. He has to see eyes into the eyes of Aarti whenever she's looking for him. Although at home he has to listen to the instructions, but here he can give one. Archie to Aarti. There's not a big difference in the names. Reema and Aarti are planning something big, I suppose, because they need some big shots to get across the Archie, bowling a first ball. Oh, good shot on the nets, but that would only fetch her a single. I don't think so. Single will take them home. 26 runs needed of 17 balls. Archie to Reema. 3.2. Second ball of the fourth over. Reema, it's a shot in the air, but only for single. The most of the girls seems to be playing on the nets on the right. Oh, it's a no ball by Archie. And they could sneak into a single also because Arpita wasn't ready. She lost the ball. Oh, it's a wide. It's a sin. It's a sin. It's a sin. We call it a sin. It's a wide.
Easy, girls. Easy.
Yeah, easily giving wides. Oh, Reema hits it well, but only for single. Aarti looking for second. "21 runs. They have made 21 runs. They need 21 more. But this time round in 15 balls. Oh, again a single. Just a single they could manage before Aparna could fetch it from the leg side. 20 runs of 14 balls. Is there any hitter there who can really hit a 6 or a 4? Let's check it out. Oh, she goes for the hit. And Diana is there standing like a rock solid. Goes for the catch, completes the catch safely. It's 22 for 5 for Queens. Queens going down the barrel now. Need 20 runs in 13 balls. Let's see who's going to come for the batting. Aarti going for some drinks. Supported by Sachin. Sponsored by Sachin. The little one here, what he has to say.
Come on, Reema.
It's real good scene out here on Saturday afternoon. Lot of people out there watching their favorite team. They want their team to win. There are other teams also watching them play. People, they're watching. Everybody's enjoying. There's a festival around here sponsored by Prince Developers, Memon Realtors, and Brand X Digitals. The whole, many friendships will start from here. Fatima coming for the strike, to take the strike. Archie with her last ball. Oh, good batting by Fatima, but she could only manage a single. It's going to be a very tough task. Because it will need a hitter to get them home from here, or a flurry of no balls and wides that could save them. Veteran Dr. Amrita is there. There with her bowling, a very good bowler, a very respected bowler in this circle. She keeps playing for the doctors also, doctors matches. Number 18, Dr. Amrita, bowling to Fatima. Oh, it's a wide, it's a welcome wide for Queens. All they want is more wides from them. Oh my God. In all this flurry of shots, they forget that they could do a run out. Archie could not hold on to the catch offered by Fatima. 17 runs in 11 balls. Oh, she hits it. She hits it to Richa. Just for a single. 16 runs, 10 balls. 4.2 overs. Third ball to go. Dr. Amrita. Umpires are checking for something. In between, I will ask Diva's captain. What do you think? Who will win?
What do you think? Of course, Superstars will win.
Clear verdict from her. Clear verdict from her. Let's see what unfolds. There are still 10 balls left in the cricket match. Oh, good bowling. She was on the target. But she could not. There was a hustle in the middle. But they could not. 16 runs required of 9 balls. It looks difficult with the way the batswomen are playing. Oh, it's a wide. It's a sin. In this cricket, it's a sin to bowl a wide. Oh, it's more of a leg bye. It looks like a leg bye, but still they get a run. It's 28 for 5 in 4.4 overs. 14 required of 8 balls. There's a lot of water to go through it. Still, Richa instructing fielders. Oh, what a shot! Can it go to the 4? No, Dan is struggling to catch. They are running for the second run. They will complete it. Yes, it is completed. Good running by Queens. Very smart running by Queens. Still 13 required of 7 balls. Aarti trying to get her breath back. Oh, what a shot! Aarti tries but hits the upper net. Could manage only a single. So 12 runs of the last over. Now it is up to the bowlers. How do I manage? When the superstars were batting, there were a lot of no balls given by the Queen bowlers, which really made their target to 41. Let's see if Saloni.
सचिन रनर आएगा क्या? बीवी थक गई है थोड़ी, प्लीज. आरती इज टायर्ड. आरती, सचिन रनर आया क्या?
वो पहले ही घर भाग चुका है. Will he able to face the heat after the loss? Oh, Aarti is trying to hit it. Trying her hard, trying very hard, but getting 1 runs. Kudos Aarti, trying hard for Queens. 11 of 5 balls. Fatima, this is the time. Because a single is also taken. Aarti is back on the strike. This is getting interesting, guys. It cannot get more interesting like more than this. Keep watching, keep watching. 9 runs, 5 balls. Aarti is on a mission this time, it seems. She really wants to win it. We're getting her breath back. Take a deep breath, Aarti. Saloni for the second ball. Oh, wow. It was a drop catch, but she be able to hit it for a 6. Oh, she tries, she tries. Will they run for a second? No, the ball is with the Richards. So they won't. 7 runs, 3 balls. This is turning out to be a game. Will Aarti be able to hit it hard? Sachin, in all the tension behind the scenes. Oh, it's a wide. It's a sin, it's a sin, it's a sin. Saloni. Oh, it's a wide again. It's a sin. Oh my God. This is turning out to be the mistake Queens had been doing this time round. It's the superstars. Will Aarti be able to pull it off? Will she be able to pull off Aarti can do it. At least a 4. A 4 from Aarti could really seal the match for them. Oh, she misses the ball. And Sachin back there saying, Aarti utaru, main teri Aarti. Oh, it's a wide again. It's a sin. It's a sin. All are sinners. Oh, it's a wide again. Come on. Need 3 runs of 2 balls. Saloni under tremendous pressure. Oh my God, this is turning out to be a wide ball game. Superstars also made most of the merry of the wide balls and the no balls. And the same is happening out here. All the boys, they are supporting. What do you say about the match?
Nothing.
Nothing. Bharat bhai, something. You were the birthday boy yesterday.
Nothing to say.
They all are married. No. They both are not married and still they are not saying anything. You can see the fear. You can just feel the fear. Feel the fear. Nobody wants to say anything. Vikas, is your heartbeat okay?
Very much.
Very much. Oh, it's Saloni versus Aarti. Will Saloni get off to her fears? And she gives a single to Aarti. Now it is 2 runs, 1 ball. They just need a wide for super over. And there's a lot of things going between the players, the superstars. They are counseling Saloni. But the nerves are taking better of it. Need 2 runs, 1 ball. This women cricket is really nerve-wracking one. It's all pressure when women are playing. It's all pressure. What do you say about this match?
very close one. All women's matches are turning out to be gold.
Okay. Silence. Fatima on strike. They're checking for the weight. Are they checking for the weight? Yes. Weight of the bowler or the batsman? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is going to be the last ball. Oh, she runs for it. And there's a, oh my God. It's a super over, guys. It's a super over. My God, my goodness. These kind of things on Saturday afternoon. Oh, what a match. What a match, guys. What a match. What a match, guys. Those who were very much saying that it was superstars that's going to win,